what's weird is a lot of people are transitioning because obviously liquidity got ripped out of the market from a lot of these big old mints,
Yeah,
sitting at like
that's so true.
0.25 and zero point 0.5 mint prices, and Pixelbon being one of the biggest at like 70 million overall volume off of mint.
Yeah,
We're starting to see an uptick in people looking into buying undervalued projects. So obviously,
yeah,
one that most of us have the most involvement in is us. We have had a pretty good uptick in prices. We were at 1.1 the other day. Now we're sitting around 1.6, hit an all-time high of 1.8 yesterday.
yep.
So obviously, people are looking to put their money into more stable projects where
Yeah.
they have a
I mean,
long-term value in.
I think people are realizing that chasing the hype is not always the best case. Um,
Yeah,
Obviously, everyone knows there's always good flips if you can get the whitelist and stuff, but I'm pretty sure like people are not buying like idiots on secondary right after mint on most of these projects, which is actually a good thing if you think about long term. The market's maturing. That's why you see a lot of people buying these newer, cheaper, not cheaper, but newer, like lower entry projects with actual utility. So, and I mean, there's a bunch of those around, so that's quite good. When a bunch of teams are building, and obviously some are going to give up, but that's
yeah.
kind of how the market goes.
People are starting to look for that like long-term value. So I think that's where the market shift is going to go. To be
Yeah,
honest, I mean, there has been profitable mints and plays within the last 2 days. Looking at like Wandaverse right now, sitting right around 4K sales in the
yeah.
last 4 hours they have. We had, let's see,
I mean, yeah,
like
and you can see
cyber brokers.
there's a new meta developing on around the Minecraft and NFT worlds, which is a very reasonable meta, I believe, and sustainable one for sure. Yeah, I mean, I'm just looking at Wonderverse right now. It is doing pretty hot. Um,
Yeah, it had a lot of momentum earlier. I think, especially right now with the amount of plays that we are seeing, the ones that are going on are going to catch a lot of volume as
yeah,
there's not much to look at right now. So things
yeah,
like
and I mean,
cyber brokers is completely dominating the market right now. We're looking around 2x from where Champs called it, which is where I saw it personally. They're at 1.75 from I think zero point 0.6 actually. So that's doing extremely well with the volume that we have.